Hi, my name is Muhammad Sriful.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Daris Akif.
Hi, my name is Lydia Vidya.
Hello, my name is Daniel Benesian.
First of all, I would like to talk about problem address. So the first point is, this project focuses on single-story residential buildings, and the central point is, smaller residential projects often lack proper waste planning due to limited space and budgets. The third point is, the construction industry is important but generates a large amount of waste. And last but not least, poor waste management can increase costs, harm the environment, and cause safety issues.
For our objective, we need to identify and classify construction waste generated at different stages of the single-story residential building project, and predict the quantity of waste using engineering modeling technique, and the design a practical waste management system that incorporate waste reduction, reuse, and recycling strategy.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Lydia. Now I'm going to show you how to calculate the estimated quantity of our waste materials during construction. I've already listed down 5 types of waste materials that has during construction, which is the materials such as concrete, timber, steel, bricks, and also packaging. These materials we've assumed based on our research and the most common used in construction. Okay, after we've already listed down all the waste materials by prediction in construction, now we can proceed to the estimated quantity in kilogram for each of the waste materials that we've already assumed. Okay, for the concrete, we estimated the quantity for about 10,000 kilograms, timber for about 2,000, steel 1,500, bricks 5,000, and also packaging 1,000. As you can see, the most quantity for waste materials fall into the concrete types, which is because during construction, concrete is the most commonly used material, so that's why we assume concrete for about 10,000 kilograms quantity. For the waste percentage, I've already illustrated by using the pie chart. As you can see in the pie chart shown on the Excel, the highest value is 10%. You can see the differences, and the 10% is coming from the timber, which is timber is the highest due to the formwork during construction, because in construction we use formwork most of the construction activities, especially in constructing the structures for the buildings. Move on to the waste quantity calculation part. To get the waste quantity value, we need to multiply the estimated quantity with the waste percentage. For example, for concrete, the estimated quantity is 10,000 and the waste percentage for concrete is 5%. So we need to multiply both and then we get the waste quantity. Lastly, the bar chart we use to make the comparison for the waste quantity that we've already calculated. And as you can see in the Excel, for the waste quantity, the highest value fall into the concrete types waste of materials with the value of 500. So that's all for the calculation part by using Excel.
The model designed to represent a waste management system for a single-story residential project. So our tips and aids for our model, we use scissors, glue, markers, tire strap for waste transport. And then the material for the cardboard, this one, we use structure. And the straw, we use column and roof reinforcement. For construction sequence, we started from this and the walls, column, and roof, and then we start with waste areas and this one, and the collections, and the levels. For our project, we select 3R: reduce, recycle, and reuse. For sustainable and cost effective. For reduce, minimize waste and resource. for our use leftover materials and recycle process method and plastic cup and recycling facilities. For reason why choose QR method, because prefer over disposal recovery which help in reduces environmental impact.
Module 2, this project uses Excel software, which Excel helps a lot in engineering decision making, especially in waste management system. Excel software first helps in data organization. Excel helps record and classify different types of transaction waste. Second, quantity prediction. Formulas and calculation estimate waste amounts for each transaction page. Third, visualization. In terms of visualization, charts and graphs show waste trends and material usage. And lastly, Excel support decision making and summarizes data to identify the most cost-effective and sustainable solution. That's all.
Last but not least, for our conclusion, overall the project highlights how proposing technological strategies and engineering tools can reduce environmental impact and improve construction efficiency. That's all from our group for the waste management system project. Bye bye. Tada! Surprise! This is our final result for our model video.